What's up, y'all? Jason checking in. Kilowatt RC. Got this crazy LOSI. A little cold out, a little windy. I'm gonna run this thing, see how it's looking. So let's just start off with a simple track. Start. Stop. Read. Okay. Track. Speed is registering. Start. Let's go to run this thing. Got these awesome MadMaxWheels on here. See what we can do. All right. A little cold out, a little windy. I don't know what to expect. Let's go. We lost some traction on that. Screw it. It's a little squirmy out here. See, the speed is registering. Stop. Read. That was 123. Let's go ahead and run that back again, all right? Track. Start. Stop. Read. One more on. Track. Speed registering. Start. Let's go ahead and run that back. She got a little squirmy. Like I said, it's a little windy out, so it's a little hard. So that was 123. Let's try it again. That thing was all over the road. She's just all over the place. We got a little bit hard on that one, so I'm curious what that was. See, speed is registering. Stop. Read. That was 136 miles an hour, yo. Yo. 136 miles an hour, man. Oh, 136 miles an hour, yo. 136 miles an hour, man. These freaking wheels, yo. These freaking wheels, yo. I'm trying to tell y'all. These wheels, man. These wheels. I have these on my website, kilowattrc.com. kilowattrc.com. That's amazing. 138. It's 136 miles an hour. All right, man. Check out my website, kilowattrc, www.kilowattrc.com. Check it out. Got these wheels on there, man. Also got lug nuts, hardware, and I got Saga racing gears. I got Saga racing gears in this thing. All right, man. We'll take it easy. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.